it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today on the show, we've got, not that, we already did that. Where'd it go? It's right here. Naked Chinese style, naked Chinese style firecracker Oriental style noodles in a fiery sweet and sour sauce. This is either gonna be yeah or it's gonna be hoo. So let's hope for the ha instead of a hoo. The last one I tried of this brand was interesting. These hail from the UK and they're really not too shabby. So hope everybody's having a wonderful day. And where's that fill line? Oh God, it's one of these. Okay, the fill line is right there. Okay. It's like just put a notch. One notch, that's all I ask. There. And then you stir it. This is the magic of this. You stir it. Okay, that's a pretty good stir. One thing to note with things like this, you gotta make sure you stir the bottom really good, because that all the stuff and things they'll hang out at the bottom. They won't come up. So there's that. Where did I put? There it is. Put this on here and start our timer for 2 minutes. Then we'll stir it again at another 2 minutes and then put the lid back on it. So yesterday, everybody was homesick except for me because I don't feel sick, which is nice. And I went walking on the trail outdoors, and I ended up going that-a-way about as far as I could, and then I turned around, and then, so I went pretty far into Bothell, and then I turned around and I went pretty far, and I went all the way to Lake Forest Park, and then headed home. So that was a, 11.3 miles? That was pretty good. I've been kind of like bad lately. I've been enjoying things like pizza and ice cream, so I decided back on it. So I'm back on it for all it's worth. So yeah, something to do. But it was a nice walk, I gotta say. Don't skip it, Mimi. For God's sakes, don't skip it. But yeah, I really, wow. It's hard to see. Can you even see that? See how dim it is? Yeah, I don't like this timer at all. It's like, it's no good. I need to get one that is better than no good. This is no good. I need better. We will see what happens. Yeah. But tonight, when my wife gets home, I have one Coke left. I've got lots of Bang drinks, but I only have one Coke. Not like I can pound Bang drinks all day. If you can, comment below. You're a pretty winner and a beautiful champion. So, my plan is to get 2 big heavy-duty shopping bags and my big heavy-duty canvas rucksack. And I'm sure one of the things they got there is on sale, so we're looking at, I'll be carrying 3 or 4 12 packs of cans and 2 or 3 6 packs of bottles of soda. It's pretty crazy, I know, but the challenge. We got 2 minutes left. But yeah, when I'm done with all this stuff and I get all the videos edited and put together and everything all done for these reviews, that I'm guessing you're enjoying in April. Then I'm gonna do a bunch of apartment laps. That's what I'm gonna do. It's just after 12 p.m. now. It's 12:09er. So yeah. I'd like to be outside. Although it is raining, there's not much to do about that. God, I got some video of some crazy, like, bubbling over drains around here and waterfalls and water that's just like way higher than normal. When I went out yesterday, I was kind of hoping when I went over this one bridge that I'd see like that waterway going crazy. No, the water's receded pretty quickly after the initial boomf. Boomf. I really hate this clock. Yeah. My sister came down this weekend. That was nice to see my sister. We finally were able to kind of do our Christmas thing. All it just didn't seem all that Christmassy, but what are you gonna do? So, because the Christmas Day there was snow, and then the weekend after Christmas there was snow, and then there was this weekend where there wasn't any snow. We were gonna go up there, but my wife was beat, and we work in a urgent care place. There's like so many people, and it's like a lot of work. So she's like, she's pretty beat. So my sister offered to come down, so that was good. And yeah. All right, let's see how hot this Firecracker that says it's hot is. I have a feeling I'm going to be horribly unimpressed. It's very thick, I'll say that much. Alright, let's give this a try. Cheers. Interesting. It mentions that it's supposed to be like sweet and sour, and I'm not exactly getting that. Although, I don't know. I'm gonna have to give it another taste. Let's put it in here. See how thick it is? It's almost sludgy. Got everything off the bottom for the most part. Yeah, very, very thick, lugubrious, as it were. And really piping hot. Not incredibly spicy, but really not bad. There is a bit of heat there, but it's not like peel the paint off of the roof of your mouth kind of hot. It's interesting. I'm enthused. Now what am I gonna do to it? Obviously I'm not gonna torch it. I'm gonna add some chili oil. I'm gonna add some black sesame seed. It seems apropos, doesn't it? Yeah. A little bit of crushed pepper. This knife needs to Come over here. There you go. It's more for the vegetarian crowd, so I'm not really going to meat it up. And we're going to skip the mung bean sprouts, because I just don't feel that they belong. Alright. Rotato. I'm running out of space, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so thank you for watching that one. Yeah, Naked Noodles. This one came from a Fred Meyer store while I was hunting for pumpkin spice cup noodles a couple months ago. This one comes by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. Minraku. Japanese ramen shoyu tonkatsu taste for the US export version, obviously. Alright, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.